Hey guys, guess what? We're making a new game in Unity 5. Kind of what you can see here in the demo. This was something I created before I recorded the series though, so it's not going to be exactly what you see here, but it's going to be very similar. We're going to have the same movement system. It's going to be an NPC system where I can interact with NPC and read some dialogue. The whole world is based on interaction, so I can interact with objects very easily. Interact with these crates and interact with the sign, not in the demo, but in the tutorial series itself. I've already recorded it, so I know kind of where we go with it, but in this demo, I didn't add all that stuff in. And the assets you're looking at, the models, are from a free asset pack, so we just throw together a map with some of the free models. It's something to make it feel a bit more complete. We're going to have a very basic combat system, and I mean very basic. The whole point of this series is that everything is extremely simple. There's nothing too complex. The only complex thing is that everything has to work together, right? And that's the whole point of this series, is to make multiple systems and make them work together. And not necessarily in a coupling way, in a way that it can be more modular. And I bring that up because we're going to be using standard OOP practices in this, not necessarily saying Unity component system's not OOP, because it totally is, but I'm saying that we're going to be using like an inheritance chain in this. Not a very large one, not anything overwhelming, not a lot of bloat going on, but definitely going to be using an inheritance chain and then pairing that with the component-based system that Unity is built around. It makes a nice little system where we can have the best of both worlds and get the functionality that we're looking for efficiently and very modularly. Not everything's going to be perfect. I don't want you to go into this thinking everything that I do is the way to do it. There's going to be plenty of you out there that know better ways of doing things than I show you, right? It's not me saying, hey, this is the correct way to do it. It's me saying, hey, or the best way to do it. It's me saying, hey, this is a way to do it. And then this is how you would wire all this up together where it all works together. Yeah, it's pretty much all I wanted to do is introduce you to the idea, the concept. And in part one, we're going to throw together the character controller and also the map. Episode 2, we set up the interactions with the world objects and so on. And then episode 3, I believe we set up the dialogue system. Episode 4, we start the enemy and combat system. That's going to take a couple episodes to get down. And then after that, we'll tackle the inventory. It's going to be a short episode on teleportation using portals. And then we may also tackle, if it is requested enough, if people want to see it, a very simple questing system. Something like you talk to an NPC and he says, hey, can you find this item for me, or can you go kill this thing for me? Nothing extreme, very simple, just a very simple tracking system to see what you've done in the game and to see if you've completed a certain task. Very simple stuff. Hope you guys stick around. Have any suggestions for the series? Keep in mind that I've already recorded most of it, but I would like suggestions for other systems to add that I've not mentioned. I know there's plenty of things out there that can be added, but keep in mind the scope of the project is pretty small, right? I want it to be a very small, very simple thing that I can just explain things in detail and get finished with it, right? If I explain grand systems in detail, we're never going to get anywhere. But I want to teach you guys how to do certain things, and then you take those things and build other things out of it. If I show you how to make a game, and then you make that game, well, good job. I mean, you made the game, but all you did was you did what I did. I want you to do what I do, but also learn how to do other things from doing that. I'm looking forward to episode 1. Hope you guys are too. Thank you for watching. My name is Austin, and I will see you next time.